when I say I see a clean ass Doink over here, that be nice. I don't know who Doink that is. That be nice though.
Yeah,
Check out my
Doink. Doing lifestyle. Doing lifestyle. I got a box 2, got an ace on it. Got another box Chevy too. Yeah, I need y'all. I need y'all. Got a box Chevy 2 with the order 28. Subscribe to my channel, you can check out my page. Got an 87 box Chevy 2, yeah, it's great. Had a truck on 30, man, I think it was an 8. Oh yeah, man, I forgot the colors. I was thugging, yeah, up in the colors. He was bucket, my driveway was flooded. I was hustling, we turned nothing to something. Hit that button, hit that button. Post notifications, hit that button. Subscribe the channel, hit that button. Hit that button, hit that button.
What's good with the guys, man? We're back with another video, man. Y'all see today, man, we got the thing still jacked up right now. Well, I just finished jacking on up. But guys, we about to go ahead and put this grumbling stuff on. This is the next video. Like I said, this the grumbling right here. So we already know kind of what to do. I got my transmission fluid there. So guys, you know, I already told y'all about this thing right here. It's loose and everything. And I don't know what's causing the rubber piece to keep going out. And they thin, but I mean, they are not that thin, as y'all can see. They ain't that thin. But I am gonna get some of that clean. Definitely gonna have to pressure wash this thing. You know, get it back shined on up, man. But that's why I said I can't wait to get me a shop built. You know what I'm saying? So I can have my own little shop back there. Have all my tools and everything. So definitely gonna get that. But in the meantime, guys, we're gonna get up under here. We're gonna go on and stick this grumbling in there. Yeah, we're gonna do that. And we probably gonna go rim shopping. You know what I'm saying? Shopping around for some rims or something like that, man. I don't know, man, but that's probably the next video. But today, man, we're gonna get this thing back on, and we're gonna do it like a little test drive on there. So y'all just bear with me on that. You know, check the oil, make sure everything good. Check the trans fluid, check my radiator, stuff like that, y'all. That's something y'all gotta do for the old school. So I always like to do that, man. I was gonna wipe it down, but I don't think I need to. She's still kind of clean. I haven't drove it ever since, but I mean, she got a little stuff on the trunk, but that ain't nothing. But we've been driving, you know what I'm saying, this thing, man. So we ain't been really driving this blue one like that. But after that, man, shit, you know what I'm saying? After that, hey, we're gonna see what this thing can do on the road. She haven't been leaking. Not like that, but that might be from the other day, but she haven't been leaking. So guys, like I said, man, I'm out here doing things on my own right now, man. Fortunately, there are people I could go to get my car worked on, but sometimes it be simple stuff, man, and not just simple stuff. Sometimes, you know what I'm saying, I just take the time to see if I can fix it. Sometimes I YouTube things to try to see, you know, if I can fix it. So I recommend anybody do the same thing. It's not all about being cheap. Sometimes you gotta show yourself I can do it. Don't try to doubt yourself, man. I always try to make it better. Put this on here, let y'all know, man. So we'll get back with y'all soon. So guys, we got it.
notifications. Hit that button and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, hit that button. Hey, hit that button. Yeah, hit that button. When you pull up in the driveway, you better turn the other way. I don't even play that way. I'm just tryna be straight. To be under with you, I don't even like a lot of crowd. Man, that shit to me is wild. Niggas ain't gon' peep your style.
Need y'all subscribe.
Need y'all subscribe.
Need y'all subscribe.
To Doink lifestyle.
Need y'all subscribe.
Need y'all subscribe.
Need y'all subscribe.
To Doink lifestyle. Sometimes you gotta do your own thing. Man, just listen, man. Stay up in your lane. Niggas still, man, that shit a shame. That's why I'm doing YouTube. They asking for advice. I said, man, I don't know what to do. You just gotta stay in your lane. Yeah. Niggas be scheming all the time, man. Yeah. Cause I ain't even fucking got time, man. Yeah. I'm out here tryna fucking grind, man. Yeah. You wanna get it, man? Don't waste my time, man. Get the money. Gotta 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 get the money.
Need y'all subscribe.
Need y'all subscribe.
I need y'all subscribe.
Doink lifestyle.
Need y'all subscribe.
Need y'all subscribe.
Need y'all subscribe.
Doink lifestyle.
Alright guys, so we done got the thing on. We done got. Alright guys, how you getting back? You want some of my stuff? Alright. Out here. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, turn the post notifications on, man. Here's your day one. Y'all stay tuned. Get ready for the next video. Like I said, man, we headed to the spot, man, see if we can check out some wheels. I don't know what kind. Not saying I'm gonna get some today, but we just want to look and check them out. Damn. So y'all stay tuned to the channel, man. Y'all, when I say I see a clean ass Doink over here, that be nice. I don't know who Doink that is. That be nice though. I ain't gonna cap. That bitch nice. Like I said, I don't know whose it is. That motherfucker red with some cat, I forgot the color rims on there. That be nice. I might just say fuck it. The rim look good. I might just say fuck it, man, cause I just passed another box Chevy. I'm talking about, I just passed another box Chevy, y'all. Coming down this motherfucker with some 28s on it. And then I just passed a Doink with some 28s on it, or 26 or what on. And I'm riding this motherfucker with no rims. I'm like, God damn, I missed that shit, man. So I don't even know, guys. We might, hey, I don't know, guys.
Yeah, hey, it's doing 2 times. tell my story. Story. My story. My story. Let me tell my story. You nigga, let me tell my story. Yeah, let me tell my story. Let me tell my story. You nigga, let me tell my story. Yeah, let me tell my story. Let me tell my story. Let me tell my story. Yeah, sometimes you gotta be careful what you say. Watch these snakes, cause they out to get you. Sometimes you gotta be slicker than them. Sometimes you gotta outthink them. Best thing you can do is be by yourself, man, cause you ain't gotta worry about shit. Sometimes it be hard to trust shit, but some shit gotta love it. But at the same time, it be teaching you a lesson. Yeah, you too pay me, so it's a blessing. These niggas in your business, but you can't let them. You already know they on your level. My name is Doink, but you call me Dave, cause I'm tryna keep that shit professional. The money coming in, I'ma be a professor. Money keep coming in, man, I gotta fit it. Sometimes you gotta keep your head above water. I'm talking about all the way on top of the water. And you gotta make sure that you can breathe. And I'm talking about I'm floating on top of that water. I ain't worried about the shark.
I appreciate watching the channel.